How to make brochure using brochure maker on Picsart. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to make brochure using brochure maker on Picsart. Now to do this, you have to follow the steps. Open up a browser, type in picsart.com and log into your account. When you're logged into your account, that will take you to the home page. That's gonna look something like this. Now you could find actual template right of your when you have. So next thing, what you want to do is click the search bar tool in the top right inside corner screen. After which you'll be redirected to the next page, and right in center you could see there is a search box. So go ahead and type in for brochure maker and hit enter once you've done so. Here you could see the brochure maker, and you could either go ahead and filter it to template, images, stickers. Go ahead and select the template that you like. Now let's see, I'm gonna go with this one and press the edit now. As soon as you do that, you'll be redirected to the next page where you could go ahead and make changes with your brochure. So what you could do is you could go ahead and upload the images on your device, or you go with the photos, upload it as per your preferences. And you could also go ahead and select the photos, and you could also go ahead and add photos or text according to you. You would find the elements right on the page and add it accordingly. Once you've done it so, you could go ahead and make changes with the font as well. And if you're sure that the brochure is ready, you just need to go ahead and download it or save it to your device. So for that, press the export button in the top right side corner of your screen. Once you've done it so, you could either go ahead and add a title, or you could also select the file type and then your ratio as well as that, and click the download button. Once you do it so, it's gonna be downloaded to your device and you can have an access of it. So this is the way you could go ahead and make brochure using Picsart brochure maker. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.